So today we're taking this fireplace off and putting our other one on. So as you can see, the wallpaper isn't behind it, so we're going to have to get like something to go behind it. So we found this big hole behind it, so it used to be like a fireplace or something. So we just got something to go over it, just clean it up a little bit. So we just got this white MDF wood. And this is what the finishing look is. So we've just put the Dimplex Bluetooth speaker fireplace on. And I'm really happy with the finishing look. Thanks for watching.